adventure lovers, and welcome back to Insta360 TV. If this is your first time here, my name is Hannah and today I'm going to show you how to make the world's cheapest Wiro cam. A couple of months back, one of our favourite creators, Karen X, dropped a video about how to make your own Wiro cam whilst in lockdown. And when we seen this video, we knew we had to make an episode about it. We're going to need a few things. Tape, loo roll, a pair of scissors, a plastic straw, a 1/4 inch thread, your Insta360 1R with 360 mod, a whole lot of fishing line, Me6. I'll tell you about it later. First up, to make this toilet roll paper even stronger, we're gonna cover all of it in sellotape. Next up, make a small incision at the bottom of the tube with your scissors and thread through the 1/4 inch screw. At the bottom, mount your 1R. On the other side, on the inside of the toilet tube, you're going to put the plastic straw. We're gonna tape this in again. We're gonna use the plastic straw so that we can thread through the fishing line, and this will make it glide more smoothly. And with all of these components, here we have our Wiro cam. So if you want to try this at home, it's super simple. Have one person standing up slightly higher on a chair, for example, and the other person sitting lower, and push your Wiro cam like this. DIY Wiro cam at home looks cool, but today we're gonna try something crazier. I'll see you there. We're gonna do our first kind of warm-up shot before the big crazy one. So I'm gonna go up on this platform and I'm gonna feed the Wiro cam down to Gabby and see if we can get some urban Wiro cam shot. I'm gonna go up there now, so I'll see you there. If you guys were wondering what the Me6 is for, it's so that we can put the fishing line onto it, and then when I throw it down, he's gonna be able to catch it. Okay, so I'm preparing the string through, and then I'm gonna throw this down to Gabby, who is down here somewhere. I'm not sure if the focus is on. So, warm-up shot number 1. So we've had a big learning from that outdoor experiment. Basically, the diagonal needs to be really deep. It wasn't deep enough there, as you've probably seen from the footage, and we need like a really strong anchor at the bottom so that the suspension of the line is really intense. So I've had this idea for a while now that would give us exactly these requirements for this DIY Wiro cam, but sometimes I think things in my head and I'm not sure how they'll turn out. By the start of this video, I said DIY Wiro cam, try this at home. What we're about to go and do not try this at home. Really, do not try this at home. So I'll see you there. Sun is coming down, but I have spent way too long in the sun today, so we need to get that shot. So we have a game plan in place. I've procured another assistant from the office and we are gonna go down 23 floors and we're gonna catch the Wiro cam, okay? And then Gabby is gonna launch the Wiro cam from here. And that's gonna work. Are you ready?
Yeah, let's do it.
Turn around. Okay. If you told me at the start of today that we would be scaling a 24-floor building using a toilet roll tube, a Rick and Morty toy, and a fishing line, I probably would have believed you because I'm a real optimist, but we actually just did it and that was absolutely ridiculous. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. The one at the start of the video, trying it at home, big up to Karen X for the concept, then definitely try that out. What we just did, don't try it at home, but I'm not going to tell you what to do. Just make sure there's no strangers lying around. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please consider smashing the subscribe button. It means a lot to us. Hit that big like button while you're at it. And let me know down in the comments any other crazy adventures you want us to try in the coming weeks. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you for the next one.